Today's video, as always, is about driving fails, mistakes, how not to drive, and bad drivers. Don't forget the bonus video at the end. Denver police above the law saves a few seconds using lights to run red lights. Totaled my truck when this guy drove into my lane, and I ran over the driver's side of his car. Broke my driver's side wheel off and crashed into the wall. I was fine, and the guy in the car broke his arm. Hopefully he'll be able to save the engine and transmission. The guy admitted to being on his phone in the police report.
이 정도야? 그래? 이 정도. 완전 스몰 타이니 걸.
너는 이 스몰 걸 이게 실화야?
봐봐. 내가 남자친구랑 이렇게 먹고 있었어, 나는.
남자친구야, 친구?
남자친구.
알바분 김한나님에 관해 무엇을 알고 싶으신가요?
언제인지 모르잖아.
Narrow miss stomped on brakes and horn. I originally assumed this person was just getting over a single lane, but had my eye on him just in case. Of course, they decided to cut across 2 lanes without even looking. Thank goodness Toyota put the strongest brakes I've ever used in this truck.
Now, leave the exit.
Escape everyday life and head up over the Giants reach this golf season. Ranked by Golf Digest as one of the courses in the Midwest. Play 36 holes of Minnesota's best golf right in your backyard with the Giants Ridge 37-hole special, which includes 18 holes on the quarry, 18 holes on the legend. Dang, just $190 on weekdays and $215 on weekends. 36 holes of the best golf in the state in one great location. Book your tee time at GiantsRidge.com. Escape up the
Driver of truck finally decided to get in the left turn lane. After he got in the lane, the moron in front decided to move forward. The moron refused to do so when the truck was trying to turn. When I look over at him, he was on his phone. Rain scares people. Turning vehicle fails to yield and almost cause accident, then blocks traffic to road rage. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. This is why I don't immediately go when the light turns green. 2 cars ran the red light and the third one ran it after I thought it was clear. Please note, they ran it just to sit in traffic that was backed up to the intersection they were crossing. And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. The orange Subaru driver did not successfully yield to incoming traffic from the other direction, whilst trying to make a left turn. In the end, it was the Subaru driver's mindless mistake.